Angelina Jolie? Hi! Oh my god! Hey guys!
We're hiking.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we are
Show them
hiking.
where we are.
So we're down. Wait.
We're down here.
We're down here, and we need to be up there.
Holy
Over
fuck!
here. So that will be an adventure.
It'll take us
And this
years
looks
because we're lazy fat asses.
true.
Aiden, say hi. You're gonna say hi? Oh wow.
Michelle! Immigration! Policia!
Hi everyone, we are on our way to the top, and we don't walk. This is rare.
Wait. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh my god, you look like you actually have tits! Oh my god!
I do it.
Any guy out there, go hit up Aiden.
Are we going here or here?
What you think, Aiden?
Want to go up? No.
What you think?
I'll trust that.
I don't. I swear that's a dead end.
Yeah.
Waste of time.
That's probably like a smoke spot.
I have to shit so bad.
Oh my god, I almost swallowed a fly. Oh, that's a beautiful butterfly.
Thank you. It looks like me.
I think that's a negative. I don't want to get mosquito bites. Look what mosquito bites done to me already.
Go
Dad.
before you get butt fucked.
Are you sure this is the right way? Cause
Yo,
like,
what if we get poison ivy?
oh my god, yo, there's like, what the
It's a
hell?
fucking dead end, bro.
It's a dead end. And there's so many bugs.
Like
But this lighting though.
Okay, let's follow the huge street. You know, I got stopped on the streets yesterday.
Yeah.
So scary.
Mhm.
Because I was crossing the street and then
Yeah.
a girl, she yanks me. And I'm like, oh, what did I do? And she's like, are you Angelina Jolie? And I'm like, I mean,
Okay.
do we look alike?
Bro, y'all look like fucked up couples.
Anaya, there's a bee! There's a bee!
Anaya, there's a hanging chicken.
Oh, you're fucked up, Aiden.
What's the fit today?
These shirts, I mean, wait, get it again? Makes me feel like I have some big tetas. I got these from Vans, I
Okay,
think.
there are many different ways
This
in different bluffs areas.
I
that are
stole
not
from my
connected.
boyfriend's
So
garage
look at
sale.
Guys, Google Maps is the best option that we have.
And water.
Cool.
From my asshole.
Michelle, what's your fit?
Hi. Shorts and
Yeah.
Converse.
Wow.
Wow.
How are you, Anaya?
The main aspect of the outfit is spot, right? Need spot, a lot of spot, and then you got shorts.
Woo!
Wow. Aiden.
OTD, OOTD.
Aiden, tell us about your fit.
Cool.
So, Michelle, she has been doing a lot of squats lately. Show them, Michelle.
yes. Clean.
Me too, ready?
Goddamn.
All right, tell us about your fit. Woo!
So we got this hill figure in red. I got from my cousin's
One time a hot spot.
chair, and the shoes are from Champs. You know, I changed the laces from my
She
Adidas,
changed the laces.
and underneath I have my bathing suit,
Her bathing suit.
and that's all for today.
People always tell me I'm built like Nicki Minaj. What can I say?
True.
You know, like it's tiring sometimes. You just want to get. So, You just want to be known for your own person, you know?
Yeah.
People always tell me I look like Zendaya,
Yeah.
Selena Quintanilla,
Oh my
Guys,
god,
you guys
true.
have-
Oh my
Selena
god.
Gomez, Ariana
Oh
Grande.
my
like,
god, that's true. True.
I just want to be known for Mongling.
Yeah. So we're still lost. People are trying to Google the way up the hill I just showed you.
It's a dead end.
Yeah. Kidding.
They got good tacos.
Oh, they do?
I want tacos.
I want tacos.
Tacos!
Tacos. I want tacos.
Tacos! Tacos!
Michelle, there's tacos here! This girl is running!
Where's the taco?
I lie.
Where's my phone?
She's so disappointed.
I think it's in the thing.
Where are we going? We're going to Chaco. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Look at everyone's fit. Michelle.
Is this a skirt?
Okay.
Converse?
Yeah.
And a shirt?
Yes.
And this dumbass.
Yeah. How about you?
These are some cargo pants with
Mm-hmm.
my boy. Pa.
Yes. Oh, okay. How are you?
And Ben.
No, I got the American Eagle shirts.
Mm-hmm.
Shirts.
I love that hot chocolate.
$5. Penny pack?
Oh, yes.
$3. 50 at its finest.
Let me get you.
Okay, my turn. So, he'll figure again by tying it up. I have no bra.
Me too.
Same pants. I think. No, we didn't have pants last
Yeah,
time.
you didn't know.
Pants from my cousin, and then shoes, and then glasses.
Try to look together with
With
this string.
nothing. Just
String, a
shirt.
shoe. Rat. What? What's it called? Chaco.
Choco, why don't we always think it's macho or something?
It is Chaco.
Anyways, we're at Choco now, and we have to wait for what, 5 more minutes for dinner. I'm starving. We get charged at least, what's it called? We get charged, was it $5 if we don't finish the food? So we're basically putting everything in our mouths and going to the washer and then just taking it out in the washer. So that's the end of the video. During the vlog, I was staying at my cousin's, so I'm back home at my mom's. I'm editing the video now, and I'm sorry that I forgot to vlog the rest of the day. And yeah, stay tuned for my CNE video. It's coming out soon. And yeah.